One weekend. Over $200 million in citywide economic impact. Billions in long-term media value. WrestleMania isn't just a wrestling event. It's a financial empire disguised as sports entertainment. And the craziest part, it almost bankrupted the company that created it. But then everything changed. In 1985, Vince McMahon bet his entire company on the first WrestleMania. He invested heavily in national advertising. He secured Madison Square Garden. He brought in celebrities like Mr. T and Cyndi Lauper. Closed-circuit television distribution was expensive. If the event failed, WWE likely would not survive. There was no safety net, no streaming deals, no billion-dollar partners, just one massive risk. WrestleMania, I succeeded. It drew over 1 million viewers through closed-circuit and early. Pay-per-view formats. Revenue pouring. The gamble worked. But this wasn't T-dominance yet. It was survival. By WrestleMania 3 in 1987, WWE proved it could fill stadiums. The Pontiac Silverdome event, headlined by Hulk Hogan vs. Andre the Giant, became legendary. The announced attendance surpassed 90,000. Stadium events meant massive gate revenue. But the real money was in pay-per-view. Through the late 1990s and early 2000s, WrestleMania became WWE's biggest annual revenue spike. WrestleMania 1001 generated one of the highest buy rates in company history. Millions paid premium prices to watch one night. WrestleMania became WWE's Super Bowl. And year after year, it grew. In 2014, WWE launched the WWE Network. For $9.99 per month, fans could stream WrestleMania live. This was revolutionary. Instead of charging $60 per pay-per-view, WWE switched to subscription revenue. Industry experts questioned the move. Was WWE giving away its biggest event too cheaply? It was a huge financial shift. But then everything changed. The network created recurring monthly income. WrestleMania became the primary driver of subscriptions. Instead of one big payday, WWE built long-term stability. And what happened next shocked the entire WWE universe. In 2021, WWE signed a multi-year deal with NBC Universal to move WWE Network content to Peacock in the United States. The agreement was reportedly worth over $1 billion. WrestleMania was now part of a $1 billion streaming contract. Modern WrestleManias don't ring records. They break business records. WrestleMania 32 em Twinfield Stadium in Texas with a record-setting announced attendance. WrestleMania 38 and 39 were announced as the highest-grossing events in WWE history at their time. Ticket sales are only one layer. Host cities report over $200 million in economic impact during WrestleMania weekend. Hotels, restaurants, transportation, tourism, entire downtown areas transform. This isn't just wrestling money. It's major sporting event money. No one saw this coming in 1985. WrestleMania 36 moved from a stadium to the WWE Performance Center due to the COVID-19 pandemic. No live crowd, no ticket revenue, no packed arenas. It became a 2-night closed-set production. For the first time in history, WrestleMania had zero gate income. It was a financial shock. The spectacle was gone. The atmosphere changed. The business model was tested. But then everything changed. Digital streaming numbers remained strong. Merchandise sales continued online. The brand survived its biggest disruption. WrestleMania returned to stadiums in 2021. By 2022 and 2023, records were being broken again. Merchandise sales hit all-time highs during WrestleMania weekends. Corporate sponsorships expanded. Media coverage increased. In 2023, WWE merged with UFC under endeavor to form TKO Group Holdings. WrestleMania now sits inside a publicly traded global sports entertainment powerhouse. The event that once risked bankruptcy now supports billion-dollar corporate strategy. That is real revenue power. WrestleMania built WWE's global identity. It defined careers. It created cultural moments. But financially, it did something even bigger. It transitioned wrestling from closed-circuit television to pay-per-view dominance to subscription streaming to billion-dollar media rights deals. Each era changed how revenue flowed. Each era expanded the company's reach. Today, WrestleMania is not just WWE's biggest show. It is its financial engine. It drives sponsorships. It drives global partnerships. It drives shareholder value. In 1985, WrestleMania was a desperate gamble. Today, it is a financial institution. A stadium spectacle. A billion-dollar machine. And the greatest proof that in sports entertainment, the biggest main event isn't always in the ring. It's in the business.